We are at the peak of Industry 4.0, yet operations on assembly lines continue to run inefficiently. Manual processes involved make analysis and improvement very challenging, leading to production losses, inefficient worker utilization, lack of traceability, and more. Introducing FactVid Ops, a cutting-edge, AI-powered software designed for continuous improvement of assembly lines. FactVid Ops analyzes video feeds from the factory floor, providing in-depth insights into every step in the assembly process. Using advanced algorithms, it generates continuous, unbiased time study data, helping you identify hidden bottlenecks and time spent on non-value-added activities and analyze cycle time variations. This can be used for Kaizen activities to reduce throughput losses and increase worker utilization. With rapid deployment on your existing infrastructure, clear ROI is achievable in under 2 months. No PII is stored, and all data is securely processed and stored on premises with minimal bandwidth requirements. Partner with Tech Mahindra to transform all your manual operations for the smart manufacturing era. Experience the future of efficient manufacturing with FactVid Ops. Schedule a demo today.